Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to read my fairy tale. Its name's John and the Three Scary Pigs by Wilfredy. Once upon a time, there was a little boy called John. He was on the way to see his mother Sonia when he decided to take a shortcut through James Park. It wasn't long before John got lost. He looked around, but all he could see were trees. Nervously, he fell into his bag for his favorite toy, Doll, but Doll was nowhere to be found. John began to panic. He felt sure he had picked Doll. To make matters worse, he was starting to feel hungry. Unexpectedly, he saw a scary pig's dress in the black skirs disappearing into the trees. How odd! Thought John. For the want of anything better to do, he decided to follow the peculiarly dressed pig. Perhaps he could tell him the way out of the forest. Eventually, John reached a clearing. He found himself so sorry by a house made from different scores of food. There was a house made from carrot, a house made from biscuits, a house made from pancakes, and a house made from sweets. John could feel his stomach rumbling. Looking at the house did nothing to ease his hunger. "Hello," he called. "Is anybody there?" Nobody replied. John looked at the roof of the closet. The closet house and wonderful if he would be rude to eat somebody else's chimney. Obviously, he could be impelled to eat at the whole house, but perhaps he would be considered acceptable and enabled to odd fixture to leak of the odd victim in a time of need. A cake cloud broke through the air, giving John a fright. A witch jumped into the space in front of the house. He was carrying a cage. In that cage was Doll. "Doll!" shouted John. He turned to the witch. "That's my toy!" The witch just shrieked. "Give Doll back! Give Doll back!" cried John. "Not at your Nelly," said the witch. At the legs, let Doll out of the cage. Before she could reply, three scary pigs rushed in the front of the footpath on the other side of the clearing. John recognized the one on the black skirt and he'd seen earlier. The witch seems to recognize him too. "Hello, big pigs," said the witch. "Good morning," the pig nods Doll. "Who is this?" "That's the Doll," explained the witch. "Oh, Doll would look lovely in the house. Give it to me," demanded the pig. The witch shook her head. "Doll is staying with me." Excuse me," John interrupted. "Doll live with me, and not in a cage." Big Pete ignored him. "Is there nothing you'd trade?" he asked to the witch. The witch thought at the moment, then said, "I do the big entrainment. I release him to anybody who can eat a wall from door." Big Pig looked at the house made from sweet and said, "No problem. I could eat an entire house made from sweets if I went to." "That's nothing," said the next pig. "I could eat two houses." "There's no need to show off," said the witch. "Just eat one from a door and you'll let your half Doll." John watched, feeling very worried. He didn't want to wish to give Doll to Big Pig. He didn't think Doll would like living on the scary pig, away from this house and all his other toys. The other two pigs watched while Big Pig put on his big and the witch dread a knife and fork for his pocket. "I'll eat this whole house," said the big pig. Just you watch. Big Pig pulled off and cornered from the door of the house made from biscuits. He gulped it down smiling and went to go back for more. And more and more. Eventually, Big Pig started to get bigger. Just a little bit bigger at first. But after a few more forkfuls of biscuits, he grew to the size of a large snowball. And he was very big and round. I don't feel too bad, said Big Pig. Suddenly, he started to roll. He'd grown so round that he could no longer balance. Help! He cried, and he rolled off down and sloped into the forest. A French pig stepped up and approaches the house made from pancakes. I'll eat this workhouse, said Average Pig. Just you watch. Average Pig pulled off a corner of the front of the door of the house and made from pancakes. She gulped it down smiling and went back for more and more and more. After a while, Average Pig started to look a little kissed. She grew greener and greener. A woodcutter walked into the clearing. What is the boss watching doing here? He asked. I'm not Bosch, I'm a pig, he said, Average Pig. It's talks, exclaimed the woodcutter. Those talking Bosches are the worst kind. I'd better take away before somebody gets hurt. No, wait, cried Average Pig, as the woodcutter picked up her up. But the woodcutter ignored his cry and cried the pig away under his arm. Average Pig never finished eating. The front door made from pancakes and door remained trapped in the witch cage. I'll eat this wall house, said the little pigs. Just you watch. Little Pig pulled off corner of the front door of the house made from sweets. He gulped it down smiling and went going back more and more and more. After 5 or 6 platefuls, Little Pig started to forget uncomfortably on the spot. He spot eating swims of the moment. They grabbed another forkful. But before he could eat it, there came an helmet roar, and bottom valve loaded down is a rocket taking off, propelling Little Pig into the sky. Cried Little Pig. I'm scared of it. Little Pig never finished eating the front door made from sweets and door remained trapped in the witch cage. Not so fast, says John. There is still one front door to go. The door of the house made from carrot. I haven't had a turn yet. I don't have to give you a turn, laughed the witch. My game's my rulers. The woodcutter's boy carried through the forest. I think you should give him a chance. It's only fire. Fine, said the witch. But you say what happened to the pigs. He wants a last chance. He'll be right back, said John. What? Said the witch. What did you say of impotences? Trough you went his doll back. John ignored the witch and gathered a healthy pile of sticks. He came back to the clearing and started a small campfire. Carefully, he broke off a piece of door of the house made from cardboard and tossed it over the fire. It had cooked and cooled just a little. He took a bite. He quickly devoured the whole piece. John sat down and nervy looked. You failed, cackled the witch. You were supposed to eat the whole door. I haven't finished, explained her. I am just waiting for my food to go down. When John's food had this digested, He broke off another piece of door made from carrot. One more, he tucked his foot over the fire and waited for it to cool just a little. He ate it at Lara Lysaid's pace, then wait for this digest. Eventually, after several sittings, John was down to final piece of the door made from carrot. Carefully, he tucked it and allowed to cool just a little. He finished his final course. George had eaten two entire front door and from house made from carrots. The witch stamped her foot angrily. "You must have tried me," she said. "I don't remember cheating." "I don't think so," said a voice. It was the water. He walked back into the clearing, carrying his axe. "This little boy won't fire and square. Now, hand over doll, or I will crop your broken cheeks in half." The witch looked horrified. She grabbed his broomstick and placed it between her. Then, having, she opened the door and the cage. John hurried over and grabbed doll, checking that his favorite toy was all right. Fortunately, doll was underable. John tried the wall cooker, grabbed and cooked suffering, and hurrying on the meet Sonia. It was starting to get dark. When John got to Sonia's house, his mother threw his arm around him. "I was worried," cried Sonia. "You are very late." As John described his day, he could tell that Sonia didn't believe him, so he grabbed a napkin from his pocket. "What's that?" asked Sonia. John unwrapped a doorknob made from biscuits. "Put in," he said. Sonia almost fell off his chair. The end. Thank you so much. Bye bye.